Ever wondered how a simple retweet can turn into dollars in your pocket? Dive into the world of Twitter ads with me and discover how to transform your tweets into a revenue-generating powerhouse. Your journey to mastering revenue retweets starts now! Welcome to Digital Earnings Expert. Today, we're unlocking the monetary potential of Twitter ads, a realm where retweets convert to revenue. Stay with me till the end, and you'll grasp how to transition from tweets to treasures. Let's soar into the world of revenue retweets. Let's dive straight into the goldmine that is Twitter, boasting 330 million active users. It's not just a platform to connect, but a realm to generate revenue, especially through Twitter ads. Retweets here are your best friend, quickly translating into financial gains. Understanding the basics of Twitter ads is your stepping stone. Twitter offers a variety of advertising options like promoted tweets, promoted accounts, and promoted trends. These ad types are your ticket to reaching a broader audience by targeting users based on keywords, interests, and demographics. Investing in Twitter ads amplifies your reach, hikes up brand visibility, and drives more traffic to your website or landing page. It's about placing your brand in front of the eyes that matter. Now, crafting compelling Twitter ads that resonate with your target audience is the cornerstone of monetization success. But before you dive into creating ads, understanding your audience is paramount. Conduct thorough market research to unravel the preferences, challenges, and pain points of your audience. Tailoring your ads to address their specific needs increases the likelihood of engagement and conversions. Creating visually appealing and concise ad content is how you stand out from the Twitter crowd. Use compelling images or videos that grab attention and convey your message effectively. It's about making a visual statement. Additionally, craft compelling copy that clearly articulates the value and benefits your product or service offers. It's about telling a story that resonates with your audience. In a nutshell, a strong call to action, CTA, is your guiding light towards desired user actions. Whether it's visiting your website, making a purchase, or signing up for a newsletter, a clear and persuasive CTA is your catalyst for boosting conversion rates. Now, retweets are where the magic happens in monetizing Twitter ads. When users retweet your promoted content, it's an endorsement, a shout out to their followers about your brand, amplifying your message far and wide. Building genuine connections with your audience is not to be overlooked. Engage by responding to comments, asking questions, and acknowledging your followers. This fosters a sense of community around your brand, encouraging users to retweet and share your content organically. User-generated content is a gem in bolstering your brand's reputation and generating retweets. Encourage followers to share their experiences, reviews, or creative uses of your product. It's about creating a dialogue that resonates with the Twitter community. Finding a connection here? Let's keep the bond strong. Subscribe, hit like, and ring that bell to stay connected with more content you'll love. Excited for more? Let's dive back in. Showcasing user-generated content not only spurs engagement, but also builds social proof. It's a vote of confidence that drives more retweets and broadens your reach. Running Twitter contests or giveaways is like throwing a party where everyone's invited. It's a fun way to encourage retweets and engagement. The prize should align with your target audience's interest to attract genuine participants. The more retweets your contest receives, the broader your reach and the higher the potential for monetization. It's a ripple effect that can significantly boost your brand's visibility on Twitter. Now, like any marketing venture, monitoring and analyzing your Twitter ad campaign's performance is your compass towards continuous improvement and increased revenue. Utilize tools like Twitter Ads Manager or third-party tools to keep track of key metrics. Tracking reach, engagement, click-through rates, and conversions provides a clear picture of your campaign's performance. It's about knowing what's working and what needs a tweak, enabling you to optimize your campaign for increased monetization. Twitter ads is a powerhouse for individuals and businesses aiming to monetize their reach and rake in revenue. By creating captivating ad content and harnessing the power of retweets, you open doors to engaging your audience and maximizing conversion potential. Understanding your audience, crafting engaging content, and utilizing effective CTAs are the pillars of a triumphant Twitter ad campaign. It's a blend of knowing who you're speaking to, what message will resonate, and how to guide them towards taking action. Each retweet is a ripple in the Twitter ocean, expanding your reach and boosting your brand's visibility. It's about creating a wave of engagement that keeps growing, bringing in more eyes to your brand and products. Running contests or showcasing user-generated content are strategies that add a human touch to your campaign. It's about building a community that not only engages with your brand, but also advocates for it. Monitoring and analyzing are your guiding lights towards knowing what's hitting the mark and what's missing it. Regular analysis and optimization are your tools for carving a path towards continuous improvement and higher monetization. By leveraging Twitter's analytics tools, you get a clear picture of your campaign's performance. It's about diving into the data to unearth insights that can help tweak your campaign for better results. In conclusion, the realm of Twitter ads offers a substantial opportunity to monetize your reach. It's a journey of connecting with your audience, creating engaging content, and utilizing the power of retweets to amplify your message. So, with the right strategies in your arsenal, accelerating your revenue with Twitter ads is not a distant dream, but an achievable reality. It's about taking the plunge, testing the waters, and sailing towards a horizon of financial gains through smart, engaging, and effective Twitter ad campaigns. Still on board? Your perseverance is about to pay off handsomely. Submerge yourself into a free ebook and decipher the tactics of the top-notch online business to ignite today. But the adventure amplifies even more beyond that. After absorbing the ebook, a gripping 15-day challenge awaits, impeccably curated for this entrepreneurial voyage. With elite coaching, groundbreaking insights, and a powerhouse of startup tools, your pathway to online mastery is paved. Feeling that pulsation of opportunity? Leap into action. Hammer the link in the description this instant and catapult yourself into the epicenter of digital prosperity. Ending our digital treasure hunt, but your feedback is the real gold. Tried the method? Thoughts or questions? Spill the coins in the comments. Found today's tips valuable? Hit like to share the wealth. Yearning for more financial adventures? Subscribe and ring the bell to never miss the X that marks the spot. Before you sail away, notice that video on your horizon? It harbors another method to fatten your digital wallet. Click on, and let's continue to sail these profitable seas together. See you in the next treasure hunt.